Hello kids! Do you want to make a great fashion statement? Me too. Here I'm wearing a bracelet, but it's too white and I'm getting bored. I want a colorful one. Do you want the same? So let's get started. The first step is to tear this template sheet. Keep the book aside. Now what you have to do is cut down all these strips. These are 16 strips in total with the help of a scissor. You have to take help of your parents or friends. Cut it along the lines that is given to you. Now once you're done with all the cutting, take out these extra strips and throw it in the dustbin. You have a clean table. The cutting is finally done. Phew, such a task. So now the next step is that you have to take a stick and roll these strips along the stick. This is called a quilling. So you're making a quilling motif. Roll it down very tightly so that it becomes a very tight circle. Keep on rolling the entire strip. Take it from the broad side. You have to keep the white side inside because we don't want a boring white bracelet. We want a colorful one. So roll it. Roll, 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 roll. If the stick comes out, again insert it inside because it's not the right time that the sticks come out. Keep on rolling. The last step of this strip is that you have to take a glue and secure it by pasting the ends. Press it tightly for a few minutes so that it doesn't come off, and we get one quilling motif. Now what you have to do is take the stick out and you get one quilling motif. It's red in color. Cute, right? We have to make 16 in total like this. Again the stick. Start it from the broad side and keep the rolling wide inside. Start rolling. Roll, roll, roll. Now how you have to secure the end? By taking a glue, apply it on one side and paste it. You have to hold it for a few minutes. Once done, you have 1 second glue quilling motif. So you have in total 2. Make the quilling loops, adjust, and you are done with your 16 quilling motifs. These look so colorful. Now, we have to make our bracelet. So we need an elastic band, our pearls, shiny silver pearls. I like it silver. Take it all out. Collect them all together. Now what you have to do is make a pattern. And the pattern is, first you have to insert your pearl inside the elastic band. Done. Alternatively, you can use the quilling motif of your choice and then insert it from the center. This is the pattern that you will follow. Alternatively means 1 pearl, 1 quilling motif. 1 pearl, 1 quilling motif. This is the final one. I still have 3 left, but I don't want to add more. Why? Because my pattern will become unequal and I don't want that because I'm creating a fashion statement. Now you have to secure this by giving it a good tight knot. You can cut this extra elastic band so that it doesn't look dirty. And cut only the extra part. Now our bracelet is ready. Let's wear it and show it to your friends, or you can even gift them. Doesn't it look so cute and colorful? You can make as much as you want. Thank you.